Alright guys, girls are coming from the Benton County Fraternal Order Police Car Show, Bentonville, Arkansas.
I'm going to start with...
Thought I'd start out with these. And let's see what we got going on.
Yeah, let's start off
There's this one. This is a 2002 Camaro. And then from California, we got the 2002. No, this is 98. The other one's 2002. Sorry about that. Looks like it comes from Encinitas, California. It's a traffic car. Traffic enforcement. I like that wood light bar. I think that's kind of cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I like it. And then they get the Fox body Mustang from the Florida State Patrol, or the Florida Highway Patrol. This is a fun car. Looks like they're doing judging on it, so we're not going to get too far into it. And then Benton County has their Camaro up here. And then that's the recruitment Tahoe. Doesn't look like the normal Benton County cars, but that's it. Kind of nice. There's quite a few cars here, man. I'm surprised. There's several car shows in the area, so. Look, Bert and Sally are here. Looky there. Driving that TA. Of course, theirs didn't have red interior, but that's still a beautiful car. Got some Bel Air. Got the little Cougar, Challenger. Got the Chevelle. Got a Z28. Another Chevelle. It's a beautiful day out today, too, so wow, what a ride. Then you got the Slingshot. Got the DeLorean. Little bug, it's a nice bug. '57 bug, this is beautiful. Wow, what a ride. That gorgeous, gorgeous car. There. This is really nice. Really cool. Yeah, it's a '62 Triumph TR3. Someone did a really nice job of storing this one. It's beautiful.
Oh, I know.
You gotta love these old Triumphs. I do anyhow. Pretty car. There's a truck over here. I like this Camaro right here too. I love this body style. I don't know if this is Z28 or not. What year is it? It's got that 350 in it. It's a 74 Camaro Z28. Hey, you don't see many of these around. This is nice. Very tasteful. Very tastefully done. I like those centerline wheels. Look at that. This thing's gorgeous. Very, very nice restoration. And this truck right here, this Chevy, this paint on this thing, I don't know if it comes out in the video, but this is a '48 Chevrolet. And his color is just absolutely stunningly beautiful. Wow, what a ride. How are you? Beautiful truck.
Thank you.
That color, man, that's it. Oof.
Thank you. It's candy apple red.
Yes, it just pops out of there, doesn't
Anybody
it?
told you how to vote for People's Choice?
No.
You scan the QR code. Here, I'll
Okay.
show you on this one closer.
I don't have a phone, but
That you just scan that right
okay.
there.
I don't have my phone with me.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
That's how you do.
Well, if I had it, I'd definitely pick the color on this one.
Thanks.
It's gorgeous. Hey, look at that console in there. I like this. It's nice, man. This is nicely done. Wow, what a ride. Beautiful. And we got another SS. Seems to be a lot of SS's around here, a lot of shells. I like this car. This color on this car is really nice. It's like a burnt orange. It's just beautiful. Beautiful car. 56. Very tastefully done. Very well done. Look at this Mach 1 up here. This is a nice car. $351, $70. Ooh, it's a 4-speed car too. This is nice. Wow, what a ride. Beautiful. This color, another one just pops. Is this your car?
No, sir.
It's a beautiful car.
I would take it.
Oh, absolutely. So would
Yeah.
I.
Yeah, 70.
70
Last year,
with
the strong
351.
ones,
Yeah.
The really stout ones. My cousin had a 302 Boss, 1970 302 Boss.
Hey, good buddy. How are you? Doing well. Beautiful, 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 beautiful car.
Honestly, I think that's probably how it happened.
57 Bel Air. Is it Bel Air? What is it? No, it's 210. I'm sorry, my mistake. Again with the custom interior. Beautiful car. Another good color. Great paint job. It's another beautiful, beautiful car. I've got that Ventura and that Tempest on the page already. This is cool. Little Fleming. Clean, clean car. Wow, this car is spotless. Look at this. 1962 Plymouth Savoy. You just gotta appreciate the beauty on these cars and the lines and everything else that goes into these old cars, especially the old Mopars, because they were definitely daring to be different. Beautiful though, it's a beautiful car. And this is a 70 Corvette, which I think we've done before. Beautiful car.
Now they did have a band display.
Mellow Chevy.
They've got a name, but it was the rock and roll band from the older set of Delaware. I suspect.
Wow, what a ride.
Was probably 65.
You just gotta love this thing.
They were pretty good. I mean, I would say they were good, but they were pretty good.
And they were playing. They've been playing that long. You better.
Yeah, some songs were really good. That's right.
that one.
No entry fee, no food. You don't pay for food. And they did.
79, I think. I don't think I have done this. I've got a 79 on the channel, but I don't think it's this one. This is a nicely done car, too. Look at the interior. I love these cars, man. Absolutely love them. But this is really the only body style I like in the Corvette. Well, that I like the most in here. Beautiful. There's another little V28. Oh yeah, I've seen this car before. This car's been on the channel. It's actually got the most likes or most views on my channel. Is this one. Yeah, this is the same one.